Hey, Adrienne Lynch with the Lynch team here with Conway Real Estate, and I want to talk about carpet cleaning. Carpets tend to ignite a love-hate relationship with homeowners. While carpet can add comfort and design and even a pop of color to space, it can also feel overwhelming to manage sometimes. And so some people prefer not to have the carpet. So if you're going to have carpet in your home, let's talk about what are the right things to make sure that you're doing. So one is choose the right carpet. When it comes to carpet, you want to make sure it's the right style and texture for that area. You want to make sure that it's the correct material. So if you're going to put carpet in a high traffic room, make sure that the nylon is the type of carpet, because that is your best bet. Also, from our shoes, our heels, our pets, we can get snags in that carpet. You need to make sure you're always cutting those so it's keeping it down so you don't start getting that raveling effect, which ruins the lifespan of your carpet and also makes it look worn. And create a protective measure. Naturally, people are going to come in and out walking on your carpet, but depending on the type of carpet it is, maybe you require that there are no shoes allowed to be on it. Maybe you put extra rugs so that when there's high traffic times, you're protecting that carpet so that it's easily able to be cleaned. And you also want to treat those stains as soon as possible. We know they happen. We all have kids, dogs, pets, friends over, you name it, stains happen. But treating them right away actually makes sure that you're removing that residue right away so that you do not have a lasting stain. Sometimes when you have a stain and you wait a little bit, then every time dirt hits it, you're going to see that same spot over and over again. And then vacuum it, making sure that you're vacuuming at least once a week. But if you can do 2 to 3 times, it just keeps that lifespan of all of that dirt getting picked up. So it's not changing the color of your carpet or rubbing into those fibers. And then when it comes to cleaning it, make sure at least once or twice a year you have a professional coming in and really deep cleaning that carpet. If you follow these simple steps, you can make your carpet last for years and years to come. If you have questions about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, I'm Adrienne Lynch, and I'm here to answer those questions for you.